What's up, RC addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the show. Your host, Jeff C. here, and I'm at my local NWA RC Raceway in Rogers, Arkansas. And we are going to check something out today.
I made it a little bit wider. It'd be hard, but it wouldn't be.
There's the man himself, Ray, talking business. All right. Today, he has given me the opportunity and the pleasure to show you guys this, the Traxxas RS200 Mini Rally VXL. And what I think really sells it is the VXL. That's what really sells this, I think. It's a 2S at 40 miles per hour, 3S at 55 miles per hour. In that box, you get a 2S LiPo, 3500 milliamp hour, and your TQI transmitter. Aha. Down here, we have the piece of resistance. Let's take a look at that bad boy. I think this has quite the retro look from like the 80s rally cars. Cosworth comes to mind. Then again, this is a licensed Ford, so, and as they've been doing, they've maintained with the clipless body. You've got your cage in here. Comes with your little instruction sheet. And here's that VXL system that we're also happy to have in this, for sure. Let's take a look at the inside of the Mini Slash, which is pretty much what this is built on, but with some minor changes. Okay, the really major thing you have changed here is the electronics. You have the BL2S system in here. Like I said, the VXL in here. That's what really sells this. Really, really does. Pretty much everything else is the same. You have the clipless body system. Your servo still mounted up front. Here, let me get them closer together. All right. You guys can see it's a little bit better from the top. Okay, so you've got the same. You've got the clipless body system. The bumpers, similar. A little bit more beefy here. And you get the double ring instead of just a single hoop here. Servos are pretty much in the same spot. Your receiver located in the same spot. Electronics, motor, and ESC still located in the same spot. But like I said, VXL, not VXL. Wheelbase is just a hair longer. I'd say probably about a ½ inch longer. The arms are a bit longer on the Ford as opposed to the Mini Slash. Let's take a look at the upside, the underside. Pretty much the same layout as you can see here. Everything's identical. Suspension and shocks and electronics is what our change is. You have a little bit shorter shock here as well on the Ford than the Mini Slash. And that's it. That's pretty much a comparison between the two. But the VXL, that's what gets it for me. If I was to get that, that'd be the one. That'd be the one. Let's see. Where is Ray? Oh, and I forgot to show you guys a goodie bag. You got clips, tools, speed gear, battery. Wow. You get the goods. decals, all kinds of stuff in there. All right. Put that back in the box. Ray, tell us where we can find this stuff, the details.
Yeah, these will go on sale the end of next week. You can get them. If you call the store, 479-621-0133, we can ship them out. And we are going to do a few versions that Traxxas doesn't offer. And if you want details on that, you're going to have to call us, okay? All right?
All right. What's your address? Where are you located?
1634 South 8th Street in Rogers, Arkansas, 72756. But like I said, phone number 479-621-0133. Text or call. So we're going to have another version that they don't offer.
NWA RC Raceway. Thanks, Ray. All right, it's your boy Jesse signing out. You want to get that, or you want to stick with your Traxxas, the Slash Mini? Still a good choice, but if I were you, I'd be up here. But yeah, he told you the details, the info. Come see the man, and we'll see you there. All right, God bless, peace. Get out and ride an RC.